Oh, hey guys, welcome back to CAG Spy Base. Let me take you on that tour I've promised you for the past 2 weeks. So over here, I've told you about our radar, I've shown you guys our Peace Gizmo and our Joy Gem. And this week, I want to show you our Spring of Love. And what this does is it spreads love across the world, but put it in the wrong hands and it could do the opposite effect. And then,
Kelly, I've got that file that you were looking for.
Oh, okay, thank you. Hey everyone, this is our intern, Recon Ricky. Yep, say hi. Thanks for the folders, Recon Ricky.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it. Oh, sorry, I'm getting a phone call. Hello? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Yep, I'm on it. Bye. Okay. So, I have to go on a mission again because it seems like our Spring of Love has disappeared.
Can I go on this mission with you? Can I go?
I mean, I guess. Sure. It'd be more training for you.
Yes!
And then, friends, since you've been such a big help these past couple of weeks, would you like to come along too?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's go! Look, there's the Spring of Love.
Yeah, but it's on the other side of this pool of lava. What are we gonna do? Covert Cali and guest, welcome to my new lair in the Amazon. Oddly enough, my real estate agent said I would be unfindable here. But, Mr. Poofers, I think we need to find a new real estate agent. Yes. But no matter, because you are already too late. Because my plan is already in motion. This is the Hatinator! The Hatinator is going to go off in just a few minutes. And when it does, it shall shoot a ray across the world, causing the nations of the world to have such incredible hatred for one another. And when they are hating one another, there will be no love until Mr. Poofers and I will swoop in and will say, listen, you do not have to go to war if you just give your plan to us. It's a very foolproof plan. There's a tickle in my throat. But you might be wondering, why in the world would I want to cause such hatred across the world? Well, when I was young, my brother, Ricardo. That's it! I knew who you are! Covert Cali, who is this? No one interrupts my flashback!
Sorry, he's new.
Anthony, it's you, right? No, my name is Professor Anti, or Antonio, but Professor Anti!
Hold on. You know him?
I do. He's my brother. Ricardo? Well, Ricky, yeah, but what's with the eye patch? Oh, the eye? Yes. I had a run-in with a cat, and it clawed out my eye. And why do you have this ridiculous accent? This is the way I talk!
No, that's not his real accent. We're both from Wisconsin. I bet it came from when he went to Europe to go find himself on his backpacking adventure.
No matter. You never understood me. You never wanted a little brother, Ricardo. You always would make fun of me and put me down. All I wanted to do was be with you and love you. But you didn't want a little brother. You wanted someone to pick on. So, now you have made me this way. And I and Mr. Poofers and I, according to correct grammar, will take over the world.
Did you really treat him that badly when you were young?
I did. I mean, I regret it. I didn't know it would make such a long-lasting effect on him that way, but I guess it did.
Well, my friend Kaylee actually helped me out this week with a decoding message, and I think it would apply to you guys. It's actually found in the Bible in John 13:34, and it goes like this. Now I'm giving you a new commandment. Love each other just as I have loved you. You should love each other. And that means no matter what we do, Jesus loves us for who we are. So we should act like that to other people, which includes forgiving each other for what we've done to each other.
You're right, Callie. Anthony, Antonio, I'm sorry for how I treated you when I was younger. I'm sorry for making fun of you, and I'm sorry for not being a good big brother. Will you please forgive me? I do love you. As a little brother, I do love you. And I want us to be brothers again.
Ricardo, I've only dreamt of you saying these words. Mr. Poofers, do I forgive him? I do. Ricardo, I forgive you. I love you, big brother.
Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so happy to hear that.
We have so much to catch up on. Would you like to come with Mr. Poopers and I to get some ice cream?
Ice cream? Well, yeah, I would love to get ice cream.
Wonderful!
Yeah, let's go get some ice cream.
I get the road.
Oh, that's so sweet. Good for them. Oh no, the hate meter is about to go off. Let's cross this lava and defuse it. We did it! We stopped the Hateinator and we got those Spring of Love back. Now let's take this back to CAG Spy Base. Well, hey guys, thanks again for helping me out on the mission today. You helped me not only retrieve the Spring of Love, but you helped me also stop the Hateinator. Thank you so much. And also remember what we learned about today. It's found in John 13:34. And it talks about how Jesus gave us this new commandment to love each other, just as he loves us, that we should love each other. And that's really important, especially if people have done wrong to us, that we still need to love them and we still need to practice forgiveness, okay? Well, thanks again for joining me today. Covert Cali, over and out. Well, hey kids, Covert Cali here with a special message. Today we crossed some lava on our mission, and I challenge you guys to do that at home as well. All you need is some furniture, some pieces of carpet, whatever that you can jump on, and then you pretend the floor is lava, and you can be a spy at home too. So let me know how that goes. Have your parents take pictures and videos of you guys and send them to Pastor Amanda over Facebook. Well, thank you so much. Have fun, guys. Bye.